Good morning, good afternoon. What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Got a quick little live stream. Got a lot to do today, guys. Got a couple of live streams we got to do. We got another live stream for the members only we got to do. We got a lot of one-on-one coaching video calls that we have to do today. A lot of content that we got to make today. So it's a busy day for us. How's everybody doing out there, man? Let's have a look at the JASMY chart real quick here. As we can see, double top, as we've got a video coming out a little bit later. We did a little morning TA on JASMY. Double top looks like most likely a break to the down. So we've already broken below, as you can see here. We've broken below that support level right now. Likely going to see, in my opinion, we're going to see 1 cent 7.5 right here. Potentially a breakdown to 1 cent 5. RSI is getting lower and lower here into the oversold, but we got a ways to go down still, guys, before we can start to consolidate and work our way back up. Got to take the crookeds with the straights, guys. Got a dollar cost average in the meantime. So that's where we're going right now with JASMY, in my opinion. Let's get into the chat real quick here, guys. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. As always, guys, make sure you like and hit the like button and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. Strange Sky, what's going on? Good to see you. Buy now, algo, or Wrath, or wait for lower prices. Okay. I never recommend waiting for lower prices because sometimes you end up not getting those lower prices. There's no guarantee you'll see lower prices, right? You got to keep that in mind. So that's why we dollar cost average, right? If it's Algorand you're wanting to accumulate right now, then what I would say is pick a schedule to dollar cost average in and stick to that schedule, whether it's picking up some Algorand every Sunday or every Saturday or every Wednesday, whatever it is. And regardless of what the price is, you dollar cost average into it. That's what I would say. William, where does everybody think SEI could go? SEI network, man. I think SEI can see easily a little over 10 bucks, 10 to 12 bucks, something like that, maybe even higher, maybe 15. Mary, hello, Rob and JASMY family. Hello. Good to see you, Mary. Good to see you. All right, let's get into some of the news here. We'll blow through that, and we'll blow through the news. We'll get back into the chat, and then we'll get the heck out of here, right? Let's have a look over at the bubbles. What's the market looking like? A sea of red or what? A sea of red. Look at this beauty. Myria down 2.1%. JASMY 2.4. Some good DCA opportunities, guys. We're going to have a look at the XCN chart before we go, too, so make sure you stay tuned for that. BTC fell below 58, guys. Not good. Well, I mean, it's good for us because we're expecting September to be red, so at the end of the day, like for me, guys, I want a red September. I want one because I think October, November, December are going to be massively green, like massively, and I've showed you guys why. So if we can have just one more month through September of accumulation before that liftoff happens in October, that would be optimum for me. I would definitely appreciate that. So we go over, yeah, there's not much green to be seen today. We got GFALs up a tiny little bit. Corium up 1%, but outside of that, guys, nothing really to write home about. OTK is a good pickup. OTK, it seems like the gaming projects are taking a bit of a hit today, which is great. Fantastic. Good niche to get into, man. G, what's up, man? Good to see you, fam. Good to see you. Pluto Bolic, where have you been, my friend? Did the XCN airdrop happen? I didn't see anything yet in my portfolio. No, it did not happen. Sometimes it can take days or even weeks for it to complete its their airdrops, right? I know I made a video this morning talking about it because over on the Discord, like last night, like within a couple of hours of the completion, of the process for the approval, people started freaking out over on the Discord because they hadn't received it yet. It's like, guys, it can take weeks. It can take weeks to get your airdrop, right? So I would say be patient. It's coming, so just be patient. And hopefully, hopefully you participated correctly. You had to be either staking or holding through them, right? So hopefully it was done correctly, and everyone receives their VUSD airdrop. So, all right, let's see what do we got going on today, guys. What's going on today? Courtesy our good friend Neo-Sun, he says during the roundtable, Sato confirmed that JASMY and its members through the Japanese Innovation Network have indeed advised the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan in guiding Japanese innovation. The heads of JASMY, guys, are literally giving guidance and recommendation to the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan, the government itself, guiding Japanese innovation. We have the team of JASMY not only at the head of Junction and JASMY, but at the head of innovation in their entire country, guys, right? That is the team, the super team that they have put together. Thank you very much, Rob. Hey, no problem, Strange Guy. No problem. All right, what else do we got? We're going to burn through this news this morning. What do we got? So Lark says, while you're getting bored, whales and institutions are buying BTC aggressively. Look at this, man. This is the BTC balance, new wallets over $1,000, or sorry, over 1,000 Bitcoin, right? Look at the accumulation rate here, guys. This year, that's this year. Look at that. While you're bored and complaining, they have been accumulating like crazy. Very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Let's see what Rec Capital has to say. It says BTC tends to see negative returns in the month of September, but rarely do those negative returns reach double digits. So he's saying here, guys, while September will likely be red, it'll probably at the end of it all only be red by about 3 or 4%. That's usually the average. So basically think about it like a sideways choppy month, right? Essentially. And then October begins. Let's frickin' go, baby. What else do we got? More from Rec Capital. He says BTC continues to retest the channel bottom. Bitcoin needs a weekly close above 58,450 to confirm the channel's bottom. If we break below 58.4, guys, we will likely see further capitulation to the downside, which is what I personally would like to see anyways. Let me bring up the Bitcoin chart and we'll have a look at it for ourselves. See, so what he's talking about here as you can see, let's clean this up a little bit. Look at this tight little range that the SMAs are in. That's crazy. So what he's talking about here, guys, is this range, this right here, right? This channel that we're in. This is the channel that he is referring to. Broke above it a couple of times, but fell right back into it again. Not fantastic. Like, listen, this is more of a bullish pattern because we're in a downward slant, right? So the problem is that, you know, we've got no volume in the market. We've got no interest right now on that. This is the daily time frame. Let's go over to the weekly. Like, look, even the weekly, guys, is looking pretty bullish, in all honesty, right? I mean, this looks like a total bull flag on the weekly time frame. So that's why I'm telling you, once we get into October, guys, these bullish patterns are going to start to break out to the upside, right? That's what we're going to start to see. You're going to see this play out. Some people are calling this the cup and handle, right? That's there too. Massive cup and handle right here on BTC on the weekly time frame. Look at that. Beautiful cup and handle, right? Break to the upside. So things do look very, very good, but it's going to take a little bit more time to play out. It's going to take until sometime in October. I mean, Marvin with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. Super sticker. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. XRP Nelson, what's up, crypto family? Bags, Buster, Fuma, and family in the chat. Rivers in the house. What's up? Right on. We'll battle of the bands. Typo. Yes, I figured. I figured, my friend. Yeah, so we got a big cup and handle playing out here, like I said, guys, over on the weekly for Bitcoin. Probably going to take some time to play out, though, right? October, guys. This is going to break to the upside in October. Let's see where this cup and handle would take us. Likely take us, right? So if we broke out of here, roughly, this would take us somewhere around $110,000, the breakout of the cup and handle, roughly, right, for Bitcoin. Now, if that happens, what do you think is going to happen to the altcoins, guys? That's going to be crazy, crazy run on the alts, right? Alts are going to go nuts. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Damn, my bad typing in the wrong group. What's up? Thought my man's way of talking to me. No problem, brother. No problem, man. We got you. We got you. All right. What else do we have to look forward to here, guys? Check out the. I wanted to remind you guys of the KPI goals on JASMY here, guys. And this is a little bit of education for the people who come into the comment section sometimes of videos. Well, the market cap would have to be this to get to that. Because I went to CoinMarketCap and it told me that, and that's what research is. Yeah, going over to CoinMarketCap's main screen and looking at something. Here, I'll show you the research. Ready? Are you ready for the research that they do? Look at, watch this. They go like this. This is their deep dive research. They go like this, and then they go JASMY, and then they look at this number right here, and then they go, I've done my research. That's literally it. And then they start throwing out price predictions, right? Like they're Tic Tacs. Like, I did this, so now I know. Yeah. Do your research. Like I said, like actual real research. Get to know the company that you're talking about. And you would know that their goal is to have 36 billion out of the 50 billion, 36 locked up, taken out of circulation, and only having 14 billion in the market, right? So what happens when that 50 billion number that they're doing their research on turns into 14 billion? There goes their market cap theory, right? Right out the window. So that's why doing your research matters, guys, because you don't end up looking foolish when you just go to CoinMarketCap, look at the tokenomics on there, and then start spewing out things as though you know what you're talking about, right? And some people do that, though. But what are you going to do, right? What do we got here? Over the road. What's up, man? Lily's in the house. Yo. I'm new. Started early August. Since I got in crypto, it's been a rough ride. Well, over the road, what I would say is I personally believe that through September is going to be mostly your last opportunity to buy in at these prices. So it's obviously not financial advice, but what I would say to you is that you got about a month to accumulate as much as you can of the whatever projects it is that you believe in. And then things are going to start to run pretty high through October, November, December. So if you need help, if you need guidance, like I said, in the pinned comments of this video, there's a link to the Patreon. I would highly recommend getting over there so that we can help you out. Liquidity, what's up, man? Good to see you. D-Mac, what's up, man? Good morning, brother. Some people are saying we have many, we may have a green September, but I'm kind of hoping I know, I see that too. I see some people saying that, oh, it's going to be a green September. And listen, here's the thing, okay? Like I said, I just showed you guys on the Bitcoin chart, for example, right? We have this cup and handle forming right here, right? Kind of a sloppy drawing, but whatever. We do have bullish patterns setting up on a lot of the charts. The problem is they're not ready to break out yet. These will break out, but probably not until October, right? And we got to go by history here, right? We got to go by history. And every month, every September, for the most part, except for I think 3 Septembers, have all been red. So we got to go with the averages here, right? We don't go by, we go by probabilities. So Strange Sky gifting 1 membership. Thank you so much, my friend. And whoever got it, hopefully you thank Strange Sky for your membership for the month. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Studio Tech, what's up, man? Funky's in the house. Hope I'm not late. Oh, you're late. 50 push-ups, man. You're 26 minutes late. Liquidity, only regret I have is not putting more dry powder on the dips as opposed to when the market was doing better. But again, you never know exactly, right? Hindsight's never good, right? Oh, Rob, I meant to ask for exit strategies and everything. Is there a difference on joining the Patreon or member side? Definitely considering it, as I want to make the most of the gains. When it comes to the exit strategies and stuff like that, there's slight differences, but we'll be helping the members and the Patreon members. But for me, I think that you get far more value from the Patreon personally. That's what I believe. So, all right, what else do we got? What is this? Okay, so here's where, guys, here's another thing, okay? I'm seeing a lot of people saying that they believe that we're right here in this bear trap, right here, right? They believe we're here in this bear trap in the market cycle. I disagree. Okay? Now hear me out on this. I think we're down here. I think we're in the shakeout. We have not seen a big run on altcoins or the market to get all the way up here. We haven't seen this part yet. So I don't know where people are getting this from. I understand people think that we're in a bit of a bear trap right now. But I think that's more like this shakeout right here that we're seeing. We haven't seen this. This is October, November, December, in my opinion. This run up here. And then we're good. Then you'll see through January, possibly February, you will see this bear trap in that time frame, right? Don't be fooled, guys. A lot of people are saying we're here. We're not. We're down here, right? This here, like I said, this run up here is going to be October, November, December. Then we're going to have a pullback. So right here, guys, this is why you want to be in the Patreon, okay? Because right here, through this October, November, December, we're going to take profits over on the Patreon, right? We're going to take a lot of profits. And then when we get this bear trap correction right here, we're going to redeploy those profits back into our projects to get even more of the coins that we had. And then we're going to start the really parabolic part of the bull run, guys, right? That's when this starts, right? So we're gonna take profits here. That's why I'm saying get over to the Patreon before you miss out, guys. Then we're gonna redeploy, and then parabolic. Once we start getting between FOMO and euphoria, we're gonna start to DCA our way out of the market to take all of our profits off the table. And then we wait for the bottom of the next bear market down here in despair so that we can redeploy to reaccumulate through the bottom of the next bear market, right? So get over to the Patreon, guys. No problem, liquidity, no problem. Marvin, it could possibly pump but dump on us. Either way, Rob, like you said, bro, be ready with dry powder. That's exactly it, man. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, right? No problem, brother. I got you covered, man. Liquidity portfolios are about 3 to 4x real soon. Yes, exactly. 3 to 4x. That's what this is, right? 3 to 4x. And then boom, bear trap, right? Everyone thinks it's over. You're going to start seeing people on YouTube and stuff saying, oh no, bull run's over. That's the top. And then people are going to get crushed. And then boom, euphoria, right? Those people that get crushed here, they start buying back in around FOMO, right? And they become exit liquidity for the rest of us who stayed in, right? So you have to learn how to play. I've been here for a long time, guys, a long time, right? I know how to play this market out. And there's a lot of people that are mistaken about where they think we are in this market. And it's all due to the fact that Bitcoin's spot ETFs are misleading a lot of people because they artificially inflated the price of Bitcoin, right? So it's caused a lot of people to be confused about where we are, but not me. Might even pick up more XCN, Jasmy, and Swift because why not? Exactly. Why not get more now so that you can get more later, right? That's how I roll. That's how I roll. All right, what else do we got? I wanted to have a brief look over at the XCN chart. Bear with me here. So as we can see, guys, we're in a very bullish pattern on XCN as well, right? Generally, patterns like this will break to the upside, right? And this is my golden pocket right here, right? This is my golden pocket where I think we're going to accumulate next, all right? But we're probably, when Bitcoin gets its dump through September, we're probably going to retest the bottom of this trend, this pattern again first, right? And then eventually we'll break to the upside and we'll get there. But that's how I kind of see things right now. But we are in a bullish structure, guys. It's just not time to break out yet, right? So XCN is looking very, very healthy, in my opinion. Very healthy. All right, let's get into the Bitcoin article that I had for you guys. Nothing but the North Talk. What's up, family? Good to see you, man. Hey, young man. How are you, Rob? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. How you doing? How about the first sentence? Extreme pure speculation here would be 63 cents. Yes, I mean 63 cents. Are you talking about for JASMY? Yeah, I mean, we will see 63 cents if that's what you're asking me. I do believe so, but I think we'll break well above it. But I think in a worst case scenario, 60 to 66 cents would probably be like the worst bearish scenario in my opinion. Chris, what's up, buddy? Any info on LAI? I'm hearing similar to JASMY, a big old scam. Let me see. What is it? LAI? Are you talking about Layer AI? Is this the one you're talking about here? $36.8 million market cap. Market cap's nice and low. It's on Ethereum. Obviously an AI play, right? AI, big data, zero knowledge proof, privacy. It's got some decent listings, right? Bybit, Gate.io, Adobe, KuCoin, MEXC, CoinEx. We need a good solid tier one, right? They've got KuCoin, but yeah, I've actually looked into this project a couple of times, to be honest with you. I don't think that this project's a scam, in my opinion. I don't see why people would think it was a scam. I'd have to do a little bit of digging to see what people are speculating on, but as of right now, I mean, the chart looks to me no different than any other chart through this part of the cycle. So, I mean, it looks like a decent little project to scoop up. Honestly, I would. This is just my opinion, right? But I'd probably be comfortable holding, 1, 2, 300,000 tokens of this and just kind of sitting on it. I think it'll do fine. I mean, the all-time high was 19 cents, right? So, I mean, scooping up a couple 100,000, hell, maybe even scoop up 1 million coins and then sit on it. You get back to only 10 cents, you got yourself 100K, right? So, wouldn't be bad to sit on, in my opinion. I mean, seems like a decent play. You will complete your 1 million XEN soon. Nice. I love it, man. I love seeing people reach their goals, man. What do I think of Bonk? I think Bonk will do great in this bull run, similar to how SHIB did in the last bull run. I think Bonk is one of the more top tier meme coins for this bull run. I think it'll do okay. I think there's other meme coins that'll do better though, like something like Turbo probably has a better ROI, but Bonk will do okay. My Jasmy is looking good, trying to print more money. Yeah, no kidding, man. Got to work that overtime, brother. Got to work that overtime. Anyone stake their XCN on Coinbase wallets? I'm waiting to stake my XCN through the next bear market. I'm going to stake through the whole bear market for like 2.5, 3 years. I think Chris was responding to the fact because he asked me to look this up, this Layer AI. And he was responding to my question. I don't think he was responding to you, Funky. I know a lot of people over on our Discord are staking through Coinbase wallet, Funky. So I would ask in there and see what people say, because a lot of people over in the Discord are definitely staking, man. So check that out. I've had stake twice on my Coinbase wallet. It's easy and quick. There you go. Plutobolic's done it. Staking is basically locking up your tokens for a certain amount of time. In some cases, you don't necessarily have to lock them up. So we'll use the word lockup for, you're basically providing your tokens for liquidity purposes. And you're just basically locking them up for X amount of time and you get interest back. Think about it like putting your money in a savings account. You get interest back, right? So XCN is offering like 28% APY on staking Onyx coin over on their protocol. So that's what he's talking about right now. I did some videos on it. I searched my library of videos on YouTube here over the ministry and just search for XCN videos and you'll see what I do. I do a little bit more detailed videos on it. Got to get Discord set up. Yeah, you do. It's our Discord's free, man. Just so you know. Okay, thanks so much again. Hey, no problem over the ministry. We got over the road. We got you covered, man. We got you covered. All right, let's get into this Bitcoin article. So Bitcoin's potential October surge, a historical perspective. This is what I'm going with, guys. So Bitcoin's history is filled with patterns that offer clues to its future. One intriguing pattern is the tendency for Bitcoin to break out 150 to 160 days after the Bitcoin halving event. If the pattern holds, Bitcoin could surge from its current reaccumulation range in late September 2024, but there's a catch. September isn't typically a strong month for Bitcoin. Historically, September hasn't been kind to Bitcoin. The average returns for the month sit at minus 4.48%, and the highest gain ever recorded in September is almost 6%, plus 6%. This could suggest that Bitcoin might struggle to break out in late September despite the historical pattern tied to the halving events. Traders often grow cautious during this month, leading to a sluggish price movements and increased volatility. Given this historical backdrop, it wouldn't be surprising if Bitcoin consolidates a bit longer than expected. This consolidation could extend beyond late September, pushing the anticipated breakout into October, a month that has historically been far more bullish for Bitcoin. October has consistently delivered strong returns for Bitcoin, with average gains of 22.9%. This month's history of positive performance sets the stage for a potential breakout, even if delayed past the expected September window. Traders, I'd add a side note there, guys, is that in the last bull run at this time in the cycle in 2020, Bitcoin actually went up something like, I think it was close to 40-something% in October. So yeah, they were, when they say an average of 22%, they're taking every single October, including the couple of red ones. But if you take the ones and you look at the ones that have been just the Octobers for the bull run every 4 years, the percentage is dramatically higher. It's 40-50%, right? Which is a massive return. By my math, I was doing it the other night. I think that going by the numbers in the last bull run, based on the compounding interest percentage every month, we could be looking at, by the end of December, about $167,000 Bitcoin, right? That is a massive move, and that's just in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up that high in 3 months, how high do you think the altcoins are going to be going in that time? Like crazy, hundreds and thousands of percentages, guys, right? Traders and investors often look to October as a time when Bitcoin's price gains significant momentum, which could align perfectly with the extended consolidation from September. The historical context suggests that Bitcoin might be biding its time for a stronger move in October if it doesn't break out in September. Keeping an eye on the historical markers, it's important that we approach late September and October. Bitcoin's past performance suggests that while a breakout in late September is possible, a more powerful surge could be just around the corner in October. I will gladly take our powerful surge in October, guys, considering the fact that that is only a month away at this point. What do we got? Chris, I'm hearing ELF could be a great option for those who missed KASPA and DEAI. Could be a great play for those who missed Tau. Anyone done any homework on either one of these? Let's have a look at what's the first one? ALPH. You're talking about Affilium? $236 million market cap. I really don't like the tokenomics on this one, man. Only 8% of the supply is in circulation. That's not good. That's screaming to get dumped on, right? I personally would probably not buy into this just because of the tokenomics of it. They don't look good. The project could be fantastic, but I mean, it's $2.76. If they start dumping the supply into circulation, this is going to drop down to, like, could drop as far as 10 cents, 1 cent, depending on how much they dump into circulation. Not a great time to buy in. I personally would wait on a project like this for the supply at least to be over 50% in circulation. Market cap on Alpha. For me, it's showing the market cap is 238.6 million. I'm on CoinMarketCap right now looking at it. DEAI. Let's look at DEAI. Zero One Labs. 23 cents. Yeah, this is another one. I wouldn't touch either one of these, my friend, Chris. The tokenomics are not good, man. The tokenomics are not good. The market cap's nice and low, 21 million, but there's only 9% of the supply in circulation right now, man. I don't know who's shilling these to you, but the tokenomics are atrocious right now, right? Again, they start dumping. You buy this at 23 cents, and they're going to start dumping this into circulation. You're going to get stuck with this coin probably below a penny, right? I would wait for them to get more of the supply into circulation. I would not be jumping into this personally. That's screaming. You're screaming to get dumped on by the team. Won't XCN's APY be lower through the bear market? I don't know. We'll have to see. It could be. Could be lower. It might be. Curious whether read that already. Swiftcoin's big discount. Yes, perfect opportunity to accumulate. Absolutely, Hangman. Absolutely, man. Chris, wouldn't you worry about the tokenomics more so once the market heats up and goes through the bull run? No, the tokenomics, I mean, I see what you're saying, but the tokenomics would matter no matter what, right? Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter where we are in the cycle. If you're buying it at 23 cents at 9% of the supply in circulation, I mean, all that means is that likely what's going to happen here is that when the price starts to go up, when the value of this coin starts to go up, the team's going to start dumping into circulation. And that's going to make, that's going to kind of do this, right? So the price of the value of the token's going up, right? Like this, the team's dumping because the price is going up. And then what happens is this, right? So you get pulled, it pulls you down. It's like tying a rock. You're swimming in the water and someone's tying a rock to your ankle and you're trying to stay above water. That's what's going to happen with this, right? I buy my XCN on Revolut. Nice. Swift, XCN, JASMY, all going to melt faces. Yes. They announced no unlocks for the next year. Well, I mean, if there's no dilution for the next 12 months, then I would say it would be a good project to pick up. But then I would sell it in about 10 to 11 months, right? Before they dump, right? So always be strategic with it, right? If they're not gonna dilute it at all, but I would make sure that there's no roundabout way that they're gonna dilute it in the meantime, right? So yeah. Lily, you made a video earlier concerning the airdrop in XCN. What is that about? It's just me talking about some of the people panicking over in the Discord because they hadn't received their VUSD airdrop yet. And these airdrops sometimes can take days, sometimes weeks to play out, right? So it's just me telling people to relax, calm down. Literally, people were in the Discord like a couple of hours later, like, oh, I haven't gotten mine yet. And it's just, people get crazy sometimes. They get absolutely insane sometimes, right? So just sit back, relax, put your feet up, and wait for your airdrop to come in, right? So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get ready to head to the gym. I got to get in a workout. I got to come back. We're going to do some one-on-one coaching videos today, guys. So listen, if you want to get in on your one-on-one Zoom calls, get over to the Patreon. The link is down below, guys. Do not miss it. We do technical analysis training over there. We do swing trade opportunities. We do crypto giveaways. We do all kinds of stuff, guys. My portfolio's over there. The live chat's going 24/7. Great community, guys. Check out the Patreon. The link is down below. You don't want to miss out on what's going on over there. And most importantly, guys, like I said, through October, November, December, when we are pumping like crazy, we are going to be over on the Patreon taking profits the whole way, helping everybody make sure that they're doing it properly. So do not miss out on that. If you need that help, guys, then definitely get over to the Patreon. Who qualifies for the airdrop? People who were staking and holding via the XCN protocol through their dApps. I have XCN. Will I get the airdrop? Depends where you're holding it, Lily. Jesse, what's up, man? Going to listen to my on my road trip. Have a great weekend. Nice, man. You're gonna have to rewind it. I've been talking for almost an hour. Did I say rewind? That's like such a 1990s phrase, right? Yeah, I'm an 80s guy. Okay. I think Funky, I think you have it staked to qualify for the airdrop, right? No, you don't have to have it staked, but you do qualify for more if you're staking. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna head to the gym. I'll see you guys this evening for the live stream. If you're a Patreon member, I'll see you a little bit later for one-on-one Zoom calls. If you're a member of the channel, we will be doing our members only live stream this afternoon as well. So everyone be ready, because we will be having some fun today. Like and subscribe, get over to the Patreon, and I will see you guys later.